Hey guys, this is Lightning Bolt 99999. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and demonstration video of the BlackWeb Wide Angle Video Dash Cam. BlackWeb is actually Walmart's brand. You can see here that it actually says Walmart Stores Incorporated. I bought this camera at Walmart for the relatively low price of $19.99. So we're going to do an unboxing here and then we're going to go show you how it works and see how it performs. And the directions in there. It almost came out as kind of like a cardboard clamshell type packaging. There's the product guide. Here's the actual camera itself in this cardboard clamshell like packaging. There it is. It's a pretty small little unit actually. Back of the box indicates that it has a 1.5 inch LCD display. It says it records in 1080p HD, so we'll see how just how true that is. This is the suction cup mount that helps mount it to the windshield. What else do we have here? Your USB cable for PC connectivity. And most importantly, the car charger. This is what powers the dash cam, obviously, when you connect this end to the camera itself and this end into your car's power port. That's everything that comes in the box, including the product guide. And now we're gonna go find out how this thing works. Okay, so basically this is the unit on the windshield. It hooks up with this suction cup here. You press the suction cup down on the windshield, and then this little lever thing here will be flipped forward. You press it down on the windshield, you push that lever forward to where it is now, and that will fully suction it to the windshield. Okay, so there it is. It fits nicely behind the rear view mirror. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this charger, plug that into the power outlet of your vehicle. See how it's plugged in there. Take the other end of this charger. So you're going to take this little cord, little side port right there on the left side of the unit. You're just going to plug it in there. And then the unit will come on. It looks like that. You could clearly see it's getting a good picture of the car in front of me. And right away you can see it starts recording. You can see that number in the upper right hand corner, that red number that is going up. That is the recording time. Now if you want to lock the current recording and save it so that the system doesn't automatically delete it, you just press this button right here, the M/, and then it has a little lock symbol. And then it's hard to see it, but a little key symbol appears on the screen right next to that red recording dot. You can see it there. So that indicates that the current clip that's recording is locked in and that the system will not overwrite it. You know, you could press that lock button if there's something you see that you want to save later. If you get into an accident and you want to save that. So while it's recording, pressing the power button will switch it between day and night mode. You see right in the center above the vehicle in front of me, you can see that little sun symbol. You press this, it changes to a moon symbol. That's for the nighttime recording mode. It'll make it higher quality and easier to see at night. So now this button up here that says OK, you press the OK button and watch the recording stop. So pressing the OK button stops the recording, and now it's not recording anything, but you could still see that it's a live picture. Hit the menu here, and now we get into the menu. Use these arrow buttons to scroll down. You got resolution. You can change the resolution here, so we're gonna hit OK. And and you can choose between 720p VGA and 1080p recording. It's just different levels of recording quality. Now, loop recording is basically the system can record videos in different increments of clips. And so I currently have it set to 3 minutes. You can have it off so it doesn't do that at all. You can set it to 1 minute. You set it to record 2-minute clips, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 20 minutes. And it will record in clips of those increments. And as soon as the card becomes full, then the system will automatically start overwriting the oldest video clips, unless those video clips are locked, as I showed you earlier. If you turn the loop recording off, then that will make it so that, okay, it won't start recording over the oldest clips. It'll just record one big clip until the memory card is full, and then you'll see a message on screen telling you that the memory card is full. So it's probably ideal to set it to some kind of loop recording so that it automatically will record over the oldest clip that you don't need. I'm going to set it to 3 minutes. Hit OK. Now, exposure. Exposure is basically how bright or dark you want the video. I'm not really going to mess with that. Motion detection. You can set it so that it will automatically start recording when there's some kind of motion detected in front of the camera. Record audio. This is where you could set it so it records the audio or not. I of course have it set to on. Date stamp. This is where you can set to have the date stamp appear on the videos that it records or not. I have that on. The G sensor. That is, okay, you could set it. This is basically how it detects the vehicle is in an accident. It'll automatically lock that clip in. It can detect that there was a sudden hit or a shake to the vehicle, and it'll lock that video clip in. So that's the settings for that. So we've gone through all of that. Now we press the menu button again. Now it brings us over to the settings menu. This is where you can set the date or time. You could set it to auto power off, screensaver, lovely beep sound we've been hearing. You could set it to do that or not. The language that it's in, and frequency. This clears all the data that's stored in the device. I don't recommend doing this unless you want to delete everything. And default settings, you click that, you select that, it'll reset the whole device to factory reset. So it'll set it to the factory preset settings. Finally, this last one is the version. You just click OK, it tells you what version it is, blah, blah, blah. So to get out of the setup menu, you just go ahead, press that menu button a couple more times, and you'll be back to where it's a live shot. We're gonna go back over here, this middle button, M/lock. When it's not recording, you press that, and it switches between the different modes. So now you see that symbol in the upper left, that square symbol, that indicates that we are in playback mode. This is no longer a live shot. In playback mode, you could watch the different clips that you recorded. There's some clips I recorded last night. And to play a clip, you simply hit OK. It'll start playing it. You press OK again. That pauses it. To get out of the playback mode, you press that M/lock button again. So now we're going to press that middle button on the right side again, that mode/lock button, and it'll widen the screen, and you can see it's still a live shot. So what this is picture mode, so you can snap a snapshot. It's like if I want to snap the picture of that license plate of that vehicle in front of me. So now when I'm in this mode, I just hit OK. You hear the camera shutter sound effect, and it has taken a snapshot of whatever's in front of me, of that vehicle, and so that snapshot is now saved onto the memory card. Hit the mode button again, playback mode, hit it again. Now it's a live shot and we're in recording mode again. From here, if you want to start recording again, you just press OK, and then you notice the red numbers and it starts recording again. That's the basics of really everything you need to know to get started with using the unit. I may have missed a couple of technical things, but you get the picture. So now we're gonna hit the road and do some demonstration videos to show you what the quality looks like. So this is what it looks like recording during the daytime. Video quality, I mean, looking at the screen right now, it looks like it's doing a pretty good job at picking everything up. So this is what it looks like driving at night on a snowy night. It's actually snowing right now. And it would help if I was around some other vehicles so you could see what it looks like approaching other vehicles at night. If we approach this red light up here, you'll get to see some sort of idea of the video quality at nighttime. You can kind of see it there. Boy, I just slid. Quality at nighttime, at least from looking at the screen right now, I can tell it's not, you know, superior quality by any means, but it'll get the job done. It can pick up when other vehicles are in your area. It can pick up their headlights. I'm yet to be behind another vehicle, but I assume it, you know, be able to pick up the plates and everything. Turn on my brights for a second. That's what it looks like. I don't know if that did anything.